Did you know that the water you drink is the same water that dinosaurs also used to drink? That's because Earth has been recycling water for almost 4 billion years. The Earth's water moves between the land and sky in an ongoing cycle known as the water cycle. In this lesson, we're going to look at the steps water takes as it moves through the water cycle. Let's start with precipitation. Water can fall from the sky in many different forms. Some forms include rain, snow, sleet, or hail. As precipitation hits the ground, it can gather into lakes, ponds, or puddles, or even move across the land in the form of rivers, streams, or creeks. When precipitation gathers into any of these bodies of water, the gathering is called collection. Energy from the sun can heat up the collected water, turning it into a gas or vapor. When water changes from a liquid into a gas, it's called water vapor. Water vapor is less dense than the air around it, so it rises into the sky. This process is called evaporation. As the rising water vapor rises high in the sky, it begins to cool. When water vapor cools enough, it will turn back into liquid, normally in very tiny droplets of water. These tiny droplets often form clouds. The process of water vapor turning back into liquid water is called condensation. When too much water vapor is turned back into liquid, or condensed, the clouds become very heavy, and the air can no longer hold up the droplets. This is when the water droplets fall, once again, back to Earth as precipitation. The water cycle has been happening for a very long time and will continue to occur for the rest of our lives. Keep that in mind the next time you are enjoying a nice cold glass of water.